If this product works as well as they claimed on the website, this one could be a game changer. So I ordered this new unit from AOOCCI, and about 5 days later, it showed up right at my doorstep. The packaging was solid and everything inside was well protected. In the box, there is a main navigation unit, an ACC power cable, the dash cams, a remote control, bar mount, and a high pressure monitor. There's also a separate GPS module that refreshes 10 times a second, which I found is quite impressive. In my hand, I have two AOOCCI motorcycle navigation system. I've been using this one AOOCCI U6 unit for the past month, maybe 2 months now. It has been working okay. I have some problem with it, but I'll explain this one a bit later. Right here is their new navigation system, U6. This is a brand new product released this month. I'm very excited about it. Alright, I got the U7 set up. It took me a while just to get everything working. I've got the navigation bracket reinstalled. This device just sits nicely on top of this. I've connected the power to the AC terminal. Take me a while just to get everything fit in. The U6 unit also have a remote control. This should make things a bit easier without me reaching out to the touch screen while I'm riding. Alright, let's get this thing powered on. I didn't ask them to add my logo. One thing is quite exciting about this one is this one runs based on the Android system, which means it has Google Play. Yeah, obviously I didn't connect everything just yet. You still have CarLink, which I think it probably do something with Apple CarPlay. But what is exciting is this, because the whole system is running on Android 14. What I've already done is downloading DMD2, which is my go-to software when I'm doing off-road. I also download the Gaia GPS just in case. Yeah, this thing definitely worked. I'm online. It's picking up my my location and the time and everything. The reason I think this one will be a game changer, at least for myself, previously when I'm running the AOOCCI U6, that one only supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so I have my main phone with me all the time, just to mirror the navigation. But when I'm doing off-road, I also have just to carry a separate phone, which I showed in my previous video. This phone, I didn't put any SIM card in, so there's no data. I have to run my main phone with a hotspot to share the internet. So I have to juggle between the two phones when I'm doing off-road. So yeah, I think this one will be 3 things in one, which is navigation, search whatever I wanted. It also can acting as a rear view mirror. If you saw my previous video, using the rear facing camera as a mirror. But most importantly, I can just use this one exactly as I will do with my phone. So yeah, I'm super happy with this solution. It's much cheaper and tighter than just buying a dedicated tablet or mount your phone on the bike. As a direct comparison from the new unit and the U6, this one is significantly lighter. They're using more plastic material rather than metal bracket. All the units, the cable, you can see there's a lot of cable dangling around. On the new U6, there are mainly just 3. One of the complaints I have for the new one is this one only a cable which allow you to connecting this one to your ACC terminal. On my old U6 unit, this one run USB. The new U6 doesn't have a USB power option. Personally, I think USB is a much better option. It will make the installation much easier. Playing with ACC cable is a pain in the ass. I think AOOCCI did something smart here. There are definitely some improvement to the U6 comparing with the U6. Take this one as an example. It's just a snap, and the whole unit can be taken off and put it back in. Done. And it's quite sturdy. I was thinking about taking this one inside of my home to do a mapping update, but this one doesn't supporting USB charging at all. So I'll have to stand next to my bike to do the update. I'm still not very thrilled about having to using an ACC terminal to power the thing. It just limited the use of it. I can tell what they are trying to achieve here, but in another way, they didn't achieve it because there's no USB charging. Talking with AOOCCI, there's currently no USB option, but maybe in the future, they can just add an actual cable. It's a nice package overall. I'm keen to take this one out for a test ride. But this is just in my theory. In my garage, everything seems to be working fine. But I guess we will see if the device will actually work when I'm doing the proper off-road riding. Unfortunately, I can't really do any testing right now. If you can say, I've took my bike apart again, but this time it's gonna be good. I sent my ECU out to Twin City Dyno. I'm currently just waiting for the ECU to be returned back to me. So in the meantime, the bike just stay as it is. But after I put everything back together, the bike will be totally transformed. But that will be a topic for next video. So stay tuned and I'll see you on the next one.